This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food. Today I'd like to tell you about a little known trick that you can use to lower cholesterol. And it's from a nut that I wish I knew about its properties early on when I started changing my diet and lifestyle. Of course, the first way to lower your cholesterol is to get rid of the animal food, because the animal food is what contains the cholesterol. Plant foods don't contain cholesterol. So right away, you will be lowering your cholesterol levels. Now we know we need some cholesterol, but higher than 150 milligrams of cholesterol is not going to serve you well, especially for heart problems. So you want to take away the animal food, and you want to also use this wonderful nut called Brazil nut. Some of you may never have heard of Brazil nuts. This amazing nut can do all kinds of things. It contains selenium, which is an excellent mineral that is great for your skin and for your overall health, and it's not in that many foods. So those of you who are going to a vegan lifestyle, you want to make sure that you include a low amount of Brazil nuts. And did you know that just 4 Brazil nuts a month, that's once a week, a Brazil nut, can help to significantly lower your cholesterol level? Dr. Joel Kahn, cardiologist, states, recent studies confirm that people with the lowest incidences of serious heart problems and the longest lifespans have blood cholesterol values lower than 150 milligrams per deciliter. More than enough cholesterol for brain and hormone function, but not so much as to clog up the arteries. An extra benefit of Brazil nuts is that they are a magnesium-rich food associated with the hormone testosterone. And it's important as we age for both men and women to have sufficient testosterone. Animal-based diets high in estrogen tend to deplete testosterone. If you are looking for support for a healthy plant-powered lifestyle, please check out my free Facebook support group, Plant Foods Weight Loss, Hormonal and Gut Health, where you can join us, and I do a Facebook Live every week. You can ask questions. It's all down below by clicking the link in the description. I will look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group and also joining you on my next video.